Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share easy, quick and very effective natural home beauty recipes for your face, body and soul. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing by clicking on the red button below this video and follow us on social media and become the part of the community. And in today's video, I want to share with you a DIY winter treatment for your whole body, for your face, body, your hair. So if you are interested to see the video, so let's get started. The main ingredient for today's recipes will be cranberries. Now is season for cranberries. You can buy either fresh ones or you can use frozen. All of them will work. These berries, they are magical. They have a lot of vitamins, minerals, acids, and a lot of vitamin C. They are good not only for our whole well-being, but they are really very good for our skin if we use them in our beauty routine. The face mask that I will share with you today, it not only will give your skin beautiful glow, but it will exfoliate your skin and will get rid of dead skin cells. This mask will act as a mild exfoliator as well. That's what we need during winter time. We do not need a harsh scrubs for our face during this season. And the body scrub is easy as well. It will help to exfoliate your skin, give it nice glow and get rid of dead skin cells. Due to the regenerating properties, cranberries are considered to be the best cure for your hair. They help to improve the structure of brittle and very soft hair, get rid of dandruff and give your hair volume, shine and glow. And I have one more recipe for you today. So let's make it a whole spa for your body, face and hair. I will share with you a herbal facial steam. Prepare your face before you will apply mask peeling on your face. This herbal steam will calm your skin down, will help it to relax, will draw the impurities and toxins out of your skin and will give a nice glow. When you will finish with the steam, then you can apply your mask, but that is later. Now let me show you the ingredients, let me show you the recipes, and then I will see you in a bit and will show you and tell you how to use all these recipes. As you can see, my face steaming process is really very easy. If you have a special steaming machine or special steaming tool, you can use it. You can use this recipe, but I like everything to be very easy and very quick because it is really very handy. You just take a bowl, you just steam it, do whatever you have to do, and you are good to go. Now, if you have a dry skin, steam your face only for 3 minutes. If you have oily skin, 10 minutes. If you have combination skin, from 5 to 10 minutes. It's really very important. And then after steaming your face, you can apply your facial mask. Or if you want to clean your pores first, then clean your pores first and then apply your facial mask. I love this mask because this mask acts as a exfoliator, as a peeling for your face. It is really very good for winter months because we don't need any harsh exfoliators during this season because our skin gets too much of the season already, so it is better to do the mild exfoliation. It would clean your skin, it will exfoliate it perfectly, it will get rid of dead skin cells, and it will give your skin a beautiful glow. Apply this mask for 15-20 minutes. I think that 15 minutes is enough, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. If you do the steaming first, make sure that after the mask you will close your pores. Take 100 ml or 200 ml of lukewarm water, room temperature water, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and rinse your face again with this water to close your pores. If you didn't do any steaming, then you just rinse it off with normal lukewarm water, and you can apply your favorite moisturizer that you use during winter time. Now, how to use it. If you have a dry skin, use it once in fortnight. If you have normal skin, use it once in 7 or 10 days. If you have oily skin, use it twice per week. But do it consistently. You have to remember that only with the consistent work, with the consistency, you will achieve results. You will see the results straight away from this treatment. But if you want your skin always to be glowing, beautiful, and shiny, you need to do these things consistently. And in regards to essential oils, make sure that you don't have any allergies. This mask is really very good for all skin types, even for sensitive. There's no contradictions in using cranberries for your skin. In case if you have allergies from vitamin C, then I will urge you not to do this mask. But before using any ingredients, make sure that you do a patch test and make sure that you do not have any allergies. And as per body scrub, exfoliate your body with the scrub as you usually do. You can do it twice a week if you have a very dry skin. I do it twice because my body skin is really very dry. I use it for my hands, for my elbows, for my décolletage area. I use it as a good exfoliator for my feet before I do a pedicure. It is really, really very good. It exfoliates perfectly and it gets rid of dead skin cells instantly. So this scrub is perfect as well. And as you can see, it has a base oil as well, so you do not have to apply your moisturizer. But as I mentioned, if you have a very dry skin and you feel dryness, apply your favorite moisturizer. It will even act better. After you made the mask, heat it a little bit in the microwave for approximately 45 seconds. Apply on your roots for 7 minutes, then massage it and wash it off with your regular shampoo. Use it twice, maybe 3 times per week for approximately 1.5 months. But use it consistently, because consistency is key in everything. Not only in your beauty routine, but in your life as well. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found the recipes helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on the icon over here or on the red button below this video. Make sure to read safety tips regarding essential oils, and all the recipes will be broken down for you in the description box below if you need any substitute for any of the oils. Everything will be down below, and I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.